Hey guys, welcome back. It is good to be back, and I wanted to share with you guys something special. We're going to be doing a luxury unboxing video. I'm actually going to be unboxing something I purchased from Gucci. I love Gucci. I love luxury in general. So I wanted to share with you guys something special that I got myself. But if you're interested in seeing what's in this bag, or if you just love luxury unboxings, then this is probably the video for you. Also, before we begin, if you haven't, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and then also hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when I do post videos. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So I want to go ahead and just jump straight into this video. I'm very excited about it. Who doesn't love luxury? I do, and I bet you do too. That's probably why you clicked on this video, right? So let's go ahead and get started. I just want to just jump right into it and not talk too much, because I know me, I'm kind of like, girl, show me what's in the bag. Let's see what you got. Stop making me wait. Just get to it, okay? So let's just go ahead and get started. Let's talk about the bag. The bag is cute, right? So the bag is supposed to be, I'm looking at my computer too, because I'm trying to give you all the details just in case you want them. It's sourced with the planet in mind. So hey, we are doing fashion in the most safe, eco-friendliest way possible. So that's a plus. It is completely recycle friendly, recycle proof. It's completely recyclable, so hey. Now, when I first got my Gucci purchase, it came with this, which is just the Gucci little pamphlet inside, just basically thanking me for my purchase with Gucci. And then also, if I wanted to return something, I have the FedEx label here. So there's that, but I am not returning this. This is something that's probably gonna stay with me for the rest of my life, that I'll probably pass down to my daughter if she wants. And then also, I'm gonna take out the box. Here's the cute box that my purchase came in. Then inside of it, I don't know if you can see it, but it's like very decorative inside. I think they did a very cute job with the packaging, I have to say. And so let's get to this. This is what I'm sure a lot of you wanna see. I feel like I'm at ASMR girl when I do that. Nice little detail. I don't know if you guys can see that. Engraving, or it's a nice engraving, a nice, I don't even know what you call this, but it's cute, okay? So it did come with a bow. I took the bow off of it already. I couldn't wait to open it, but this is what we have inside. So this is the Gucci Marmont card case wallet. I was looking for a new wallet. I wanted something that I felt like could go with a lot of the stuff that I had, but also I wanted something that was actually functional and something that I could use at, like, in reality. Like, I wanted something that I knew I was going to use, and I just didn't want it because, oh, it looks cute. I wanted it because I knew that I'd be wearing it and I would just feel elegant and classy, and I feel like this looks more timeless. So if I'm gonna make a purchase, especially if I'm spending money on a wallet, I want something that's gonna be timeless and not something that eventually goes out of style. So that was my whole entire motive behind picking a wallet that I wanted. So this wallet does retail for $370 plus tax. So let's just go ahead and round it up to $400. I went and got mine at Phipps Plaza in Buckhead. I went to Lenox thinking that they had Gucci in there. I don't know why I thought there was a Gucci store in there, but it wasn't in there, so I just drove down the street, literally like 5 minutes to Phipps Plaza, and I went there. They didn't have this particular one at the store, so then I did have to order it with one of the sales associates there. They were very nice. I did have to wait a little bit because, you know, with COVID restrictions, they only let a certain amount of people in at a time. But I went ahead, ordered it, and then I just had it shipped to the store so that way I could go and pick it up at the store, because I was not taking any chances with it arriving in the mail and then all of a sudden saying it got delivered and then it didn't get delivered. So I was not about to do that. You know, packages are getting stolen left and right. I'm sure y'all heard about that UPS or FedEx truck that was found on the side of the road with over hundreds of packages missing. Coincidence? I don't think so. Someone did that. I'm just saying. But yeah, so this is the Gucci Marmont card case wallet. So this is black leather. I love the black leather. It just looks sleek, it looks elegant. And then also when you open it up, it's completely black inside. You do have this Gucci print that does go down, I would say almost 75-80% of the wallet, but it is nice how the black ties in here and then the Gucci print ties in as well. You can get this in black, and then you also can get it in beige if you want the beige as well. I felt like the beige would have looked, it would have got dirty easily, so I stuck with the black instead. And this is basically taking, they said that this design is taken from the 70s archive. So I don't know what the 70s archive is, but if this is kind of what it's giving for 70s, and I really like this, and I'm just happy about the purchase. You guys saw I'm excited. It's Supreme canvas leather, and it also has gold toned hardware where the G is at, and then also where the snap in the case is at as well. And then there's also 5 card slots, so there's plenty of room to put your cards. I put my credit card, gift cards that I've gotten, my ID, you know, just the necessities that I need. There's plenty of space for that. And then it also has a snap closure that's in gold hardware as well, which I really like because it's really easily accessible and it stays shut. It doesn't, you know, come undone. And then also I like that there's a little coin pouch in here, so if you have coins or something like that that you need to pay for parking or whatever, wherever you live at, if you have coins or you know, have change and you need to put it in here so it doesn't just get all over in your bag and you're searching for coins, digging like I do, I'm just saying. Then they have this zip little pouch for you. And then if you have, I don't know, say you have some cash or, you know, whatever you want to put in this particular spot, you have the option to do that as well. But it's a very spacious wallet. I really like it. It's so cute. Whenever I go out, so I was like, let me see your wallet. I'm like, go ahead, honey. Go ahead. But yeah, this is just cute, a cute little purchase. So yeah, this is available, like I said, online. So if you do want to purchase this, it is still readily available. And then also too, I don't know if this matters to you guys or not, but they also do talk about the care of the wallet. Just saying, if it gets wet, use a cloth to immediately dry it, or just use a damp cloth to clean it as well. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Please let me know if you have any questions below about the wallet. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I wanted to make it sweet but short, straight to the point. That's kind of how I like watching them, and so that's kind of how I do mine. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you are having an amazing day. Take today and continue the rest of your day, whether it's beginning of the day, afternoon, morning, evening, I don't know, and just continue your day out with positivity. And yeah, I will talk to you guys later, and thank you for watching. Bye.